Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up Tidio. Begin by creating a Tidio account and verifying your email, then choose a template that matches your site's tone. Customize chat appearance, add team members, and set business hours. Integrate with your website using the JS snippet or plugin. Configure automated greetings, tag rules, and basic chatbot flows. Test on desktop and mobile to confirm messages appear correctly quickly. Start configuring chat settings by setting your business hours, language, and default agent message. Next, connect channels like email, Messenger, and Instagram for unified conversations. Build a simple chatbot flow to handle common questions and collect visitor emails. Set notification preferences so agents respond quickly and avoid missed chats. Use tags to organize conversations and create canned responses for frequent queries. Finally, preview flows and publish when satisfied with results. Connect Tidio to your CRM and e-commerce platform to sync customer data and automate follow-ups. Enable analytics to track chat volume, response times, and conversion rates. Set privacy options to comply with data rules and anonymize IPs when required. Add team roles and permissions to protect sensitive conversations and limit access. Regularly review bot reports to refine messages and increase conversion. Keep backup exports of chat history for compliance and team training.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.